Social media influencers Wally and female boss is trying to get Candy to go to rehab. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So people, Candy will been popping up on the gram, you know what I mean, Facebook, everywhere in social media of lately, but it's not for the reasons like first time. Yesterday there was a video of Candy that surfaced on the internet, and it seems as if Candy was homeless. At least that's what a lot of people are saying, that Candy looked like she homeless, right? But I'm going to show another video in a second, right after this short clip from Lady Shen.
I can see you from a distance, giving me eyes, but you'll have to dance.
So the song is called Where Have You Been by Lady Shen. And we're going to tell you more about this song at the end of this video. But now let's talk about Candy, right? So like I said, video of Candy pop up and it looked like she homeless. So now I'm going to show you this video if you haven't seen it already. Here goes.
Good. Yeah, we good, man. From me have life, you know, girl. Me have life. Me not dead, you know. Is that dead somebody else look on? Life, somebody will look on you and talk to you, know. Oh, I see things, I know things. Eh? What going to happen from this, so what going to happen? I want you to go on down the yard and leave. Show no, girl.
So yes, people, from the look of that video, we can definitely see why people are saying that Candy homeless. It seems like all our belongings, including our pots and pans outside, you know what I mean, and it looked like just a little out-the-door setup. Now, there's a lot of questions and there's a lot of comments going around on social media, because people are saying, first of all, where's our parents? You know what I mean? Even our ex-boyfriend, me see them a mention baby lad and all these things, and everybody who did a rally around Candy when time Candy they at, you know what I mean? So, me can't answer those questions though, but me ask the same question them, like nobody to the aid. But yesterday after the video post, Quada made a post. So, you know, unruly Quada, Popcorn protege, Popcorn artist, right? He make a post and say if anybody know where Candy whereabouts is, he would like to help her. Now, Quada never specify in what way, but we would only imagine say him go get some food, clothes, money or whatever. But I think Quada mean like him go full time and take up Candy as him own or nothing like that. And I'm not saying anything bad here, people. We just, you know what I mean, call it oranges and apples, right? It just lets us be realistic. I said all of that to say this. Now, Wally and female boss is even taking it a step further, and Quada, you know what I mean, I guess Quada got team up with them now from what they said on the live. But let's take a look at this clip from Wally and female boss.
So I'm have to eat too. So people for realize that any money them send to Candy, people, I see people from Pinkwala say them are going to money and them are going this and them are that. Everybody have to eat in a life. From the manager down to the director, down to the secretary, down to the cleaner, and everybody have to eat. So yes, when you look at money send, I don't want nobody pre-eat. Just make sure majority it go to Candy, and we have to say it go to she. And if I rehab, who want Candy for go rehab, make we stop do that something and come in and chomp in and put her in the rehab. Because you are a drug addict, now go in a rehab. We have to shove them in there. Yeah, I know people bash Candy, and I say that I want a Candy many whatever forget help and rate because she tough at her acting. When you abuse drugs, you gotta abuse the money and you gotta abuse the people them around you because you have to get it. So you see them acting skill, but director skill. Candy we come on the phone now and ball to you because she know if you do that. But don't believe that. She does a ball out to get the drugs. She want the help, but you have to put her in the help. A drug addict
she just a cry because her whole she just is an emotional roller coaster. So you know what I mean? So all it is stressing, it bothering. Me know exactly where you're going with her.
So people who know them thing you go more while. Your female boss say that Candy acting skill, because there's a lot of people out there where I say Candy no need no help, you know. Them I say Candy pretend and somebody help her to make these videos to make it look like she has suffer so she can get more. That's why half of the people and we are gonna say, I say a lot of people will say. To make matters worse, you know what I mean, she just went on a live with a comedian named Swiss Lee. You know, him and World Dog is associated. Facebook hero World Dog. So Candy go up on a live and it seems like Candy has said she want flat screen TV and all this, and I say about, you know what I mean? She has said Quada never send the money, but Quada confirm on that live just now. Me watch with my 2 eye, the verified Quada account say me just send her the money, right? So it's confirmed that Quada send Candy the money. All right. Now, I don't know exactly where Candy go on with Panny Live, but Mr. Real Dog I talk to you Swiftly and I tell him say, yo, you can't do that, or no make Candy do that, blah blah blah. You see what I say? So it's still out there, people. Half of the people they want help Candy, and half of the people they want say Candy don't need no help. You see me? So let me know what is your thoughts on this. Now, people, I want to know about my bad artist who I discovered. I posted her once before and she went viral, right? Her Instagram page is at Lady Shen Gram. Her name is Lady Shen, that's right. And she have a brand new song named Where Have You Been? Now, people, I want to listen to that song. I want to get in the comment section and tell me how you feel about this, right? And please, I beg you, I want to run over to her Instagram page and follow her because she deserves it, people. She bad, and within due time, she are going to make it, people. You know, one time when I meet that one, they will say, yeah. And you know, say, yeah, that one is a Ghana. She are gonna make it, people. Hear me? So right now, just tune into this song, Where Have You Been? And drop a like and comment, you know what I mean? And just subscribe to our Instagram. If you're on Facebook, Lady Shen, same way, I'm gonna provide all the links in the description. So here it goes.
I can see you from a distance, giving me eyes, would you love to dance? Feel the music, just take my hand, let me guide you, 'cause you're the one. Your smile makes my heart skip a beat today, but it's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Tell me, boy, where have you been? All my life I've been searching for a king, yeah. Tell me, boy, where have you been? All my life I've been searching for a king, yeah. I'm breathing so hard, I want to and all your flaws. Keeping my eyes on you, would you be my star? I know it's strange how quickly I fall, but it's